Question 6 says, an atom of helium has a mass of 6.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 kilogram. If a room contains 9 times 10 raised to the power of 22 atoms of helium, what is the mass of helium in that room? Now, one mass or one atom has a mass of 6.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 kg. And if a room contains 9 times 10 raised to the power of 22 atoms of that same helium, what is the mass of helium in that room? So let the mass of 9.9 times 10 raised to the power of 22 be equal to x. What is x? For us to find x, we are going to multiply. If each of them has a mass of 9.8, we are going to multiply 9.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 by 9 times 10 raised to the power of 22. That will give us the total mass of helium in the room. So we have it that x now is equal to 6.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 times 9 times 10 raised to the power of 22. So that x is equal to 6.8 times 9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 plus 22. X will be equal to 6.8 times 9 is said to be 61.2. This will be times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 plus 22 gives us minus 5. So that x now will be equal to, in standard form, this can be said to be 6.12 times 10 raised to the power of, because we have moved the decimal point one step to the left, we are going to increase the power by 1. So add 1 to minus 5, it gives you minus 4. So the total mass, this is going to be in kg because we are looking at the total mass. So the total mass of helium in that room will be the product of the total number of helium in that room times the mass of 1, which we got to be 6.12 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. That brings us to the end of our today's class on mixed calculations involving standard form. In today's class, we have been able to look at exercises on mixed calculations involving standard form, where you have 2 or more operations coming into play. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Thank you for being part of this class. See you in our next class, where we shall be looking at indices of numbers. Do have a nice day.